Lisa Wilkinson has filed her first dispatch as de facto U.S. correspondent for the project, after fleeing to Los Angeles amid the fallout of her disastrous Logie Awards speech that delayed a high-profile rape trial. Wilkinson recorded a gushing interview with American attorney and women's rights activist Gloria Allred, who is known for representing women in high-profile sexual misconduct cases against the likes of Bill Cosby, R. Kelly and Harvey Weinstein. Speaking on a porch overlooking the ocean, the like-minded feminists discussed various topics on Thursday's show, including the U.S. Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade and Allred's advocacy for victims during the #MeToo movement. Wilkinson couldn't hide her admiration for Allred, who famously represented Jane Roe, real name Norma McCorvey, the woman at the center of the landmark Roe v. Wade case that legalized abortion across the United States in 1973. This decision was overruled by the Supreme Court on June 24, and individual states now have the power to set their own abortion laws, which has resulted in abortion being outlawed in many parts of the country. Allred told a rapt Wilkinson her mantra on the issue has always been, abortion must be safe, it must be legal, it must be affordable, and it must be available. Steering the conversation towards her representation of women in #MeToo cases, the lawyer said, "I feel very blessed and very privileged to do my part to help to empower women and girls, and support them as they tell their truth, either in a court of law or in the court of public opinion, or both." The interview was on brand for 62-year-old Wilkinson, who has positioned herself as a high-profile advocate for women's rights. But her advocacy-tinged journalism landed her in hot water last month when she spoke of an upcoming court case while accepting an award at the Logies. The rape trial in question, originally scheduled for June 27, was delayed until October as a result. An Supreme Court judge ruled Wilkinson's speech had obliterated the line between allegation and a finding of guilt. Wilkinson is expected to be called as a witness at the trial as she had interviewed the accuser on the project before charges were laid. In the aftermath of her disastrous speech, Wilkinson was taken off the air and is not expected to return to the live panel until next month. During her absence, she will file stories for the project from the United States, with her interview with Allred being her first official dispatch.